Have you ever wondered how a simple change in your daily meals could completely transform your health, energy, and even the world around you? Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel because today's video can truly change your life, and you don't want to miss the upcoming content that will help you live healthier and better. Let's dive into the 5 powerful reasons why you should start eating plant-based foods today. Part 1. What plant-based eating really means. A plant-based lifestyle is not about strict rules or dieting. It simply means that most of your food comes from plants: vegetables, fruits, nuts, herbs, legumes, and whole grains. There's a whole spectrum, from fully vegan to vegetarian to people who still enjoy meat occasionally. You choose what fits your life. Interestingly, early humans ate mostly plant foods: nuts, seeds, leaves, roots, and fruits. Even some of the strongest animals on the planet, like gorillas, are herbivores. If they can thrive on plants, why can't we? Plant-based eating isn't just a trend. It's a step toward becoming healthier, stronger, and energized. Part 2. Reason number 1. Improve your health. Eating more vegetables, whole grains, and beans boosts your fiber intake, something most people seriously lack. Fiber helps digestion, reduces constipation, lowers cholesterol, and protects you from heart disease, diabetes, and colon cancer. Many people eat far more protein than their body needs, which can stress digestion. A plant-based diet gives you all the protein you need without excess. And yes, you can build muscle on a plant-based diet. Many elite athletes, like ultramarathon champion Scott Jurek, prove this every day. Nutrition experts say that 75 to 80% of health and weight management comes from what you eat, not the gym. A plant-based diet improves physical and mental health, with studies showing reduced signs of depression and better overall mood. Part 3. Reason number 2. Weight loss and weight management. Most people don't meet the minimum recommended amount of fruits and vegetables. This leads directly to weight gain and chronic disease. Plant-based eaters naturally consume fewer calories because their meals are cleaner, lower in fat, and higher in nutrients. They also avoid many processed foods and fast food options centered around meat. Lower sodium plus more nutrient-dense foods equal healthier weight, better energy, and lower blood pressure. Just remember, plant-based doesn't mean unlimited sugar. Choose whole foods, not junk foods disguised as plant-based. Part 4. Reason number 3. Prevent or manage chronic disease. The World Health Organization recommends 400 grams of fruits and vegetables daily to protect against diseases like diabetes, cancer, heart disease, and obesity. Plant-based foods reduce inflammation, balance blood sugar, and support long-term wellness. This isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. Part 5. Reason number 4. Stop wasting money on supplements. People spend over $30 billion a year on supplements they don't even need. When your meals are rich in vegetables, fruits, grains, and legumes, your body gets vitamins and minerals naturally, the way it's supposed to. More nutrients, less money wasted, zero effort remembering pills. Part 6. Save the planet. Producing meat requires 10 times more water than growing plant foods. If more people reduced meat consumption, we'd save enormous amounts of water and resources. Eating plant-based is not just good for you, it's good for the planet. Final message. Take action. Plant-based eating is not a diet. It's a lifestyle. Start small. Choose a day to begin, plan your meals, write your grocery list, and enjoy the journey. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any new videos that help you improve your life, health, and future. Thanks for watching, and welcome to a better you.